Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we're talking about your Propwire account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you find out-of-state property owners with Propwire? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to find out-of-state property owners in Propwire anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business doing wholesale real estate, you know that out-of-state property owners can sometimes be a really motivated group to go after. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Propwire account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Propwire, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to find out-of-state property owners, first go ahead and check your target area. So let me go ahead and just type in Salem, Oregon. Okay, so you can choose a city, a county, a zip code. Okay, so next it's going to pull up all the properties in that particular area, and to filter them out by out-of-state property owners, Propwire makes it easy. You just click here on lead types and just scroll down until you see out-of-state owners and click on there. All right, once you do that, you can see it filters out, so it drops it down to 2,400 out-of-state property owners. So you might be wondering, how do they find this list? So this is public information. Usually this is going to be with the tax records. So the taxing authority for whatever city or county, they need to send out their statements. So these property owners have updated their mailing address to an out-of-state address. So once you've done that, you can go ahead and filter it out. So property types, so maybe you just want to go after single family. You can also click here on more and filter out by equity, by financial filters. So maybe you want out-of-state owners that have at least 50% equity in the property, and you can just keep layering it on and then click on save and close. That we can narrow down the motivated sellers list. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to find your out-of-state property owners with Propwire, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.